Good morning, dear students. I am Mrs. Mangla from Department of English. Welcome to English class, which is going to be an introductory session. And in this session, you will get to know about the course book and the workbook, which is prescribed by the PU board, and then the literary events conducted by the department, and also about the new mode of learning. And now, through PPT, I am going to brief you about the syllabus recommended in the course book and the workbook.
Dear students, let me introduce to the English syllabus. You have two textbooks for the year. One is the course book. The title of the course book is Reflections. The book consists of prose, poetry and an one-act play. So the book has 13 units. And the teaching procedure for the course book, it follows the order of prose and poetry units in the text. And there are also some vocabulary related activities which are included in the course book after each unit, so that it will help you to enhance your language skills. The focus is on enabling you to relate and respond to the issues raised in each and every unit. The other book is the workbook. The title of the book is Articulation. So the aim of introducing the workbook is to provide opportunities for you people to acquire various language skills. So the workbook contains the following units. Under Unit A, you have all the grammar units almost which are taught at your school level. So the exercises on language use, that is articles, prepositions, verbs, tense, subject-verb agreement, word order, correction of sentences, that is identifying the errors in the sentence, and the question forms. Then under Unit B, you have passages for reading comprehension. That is, comprehension is the ability to understand and gain meaning from what has been read. Fine. So you read the passages and you work out the exercises. You answer the questions. Then under C, Unit C, you have exercises on reference skills. That is, you learn the primary uses of a dictionary and what are the sources of information and how to interpret advertisements and schedules, that is given. Then under Unit D, you have exercises on writing skills. That is, you learn what are formal letters. You learn to write a leave application, then application for TC, MC, then letters of complaint, letters seeking information, letters giving information, and application for opening or closing or transferring a bank account. Then under Unit E, there are exercises on language functions. That is, language functions refer to the purposes in which we use language to communicate. So it will help you to equip the skills of spoken language. And some language functions are added in the workbook because of this reason. So on the whole, dear students, the workbook is of great help in the effective learning of the language, and it helps you to develop all the skills, that is LSRW skills of a language, that is listening, speaking, reading and writing. Thank you.
Very good morning, Carmelites. Welcome to Carmel PU College. I'm Shailaja. I'll be handling English to one of your sections, but I don't know which. We have to wait and watch. English classes, at Carmel are always something which students greatly look forward to. Why? For the simple reason that you can relax a little. A little, not completely. It's in fact like a breath of fresh air. So you can relax a little, at the same time you can learn also. Lot of opportunities are there, for you to develop your language. And what we do is we organize plenty of competitions to ensure that you people can improve your language skills. We have a well-stocked library with more than 10,000 books. So you can always go to the library, read a lot of fiction and improve your language. I'm in charge of the assembly too. So students who are interested in participating in the assembly, please do contact me. or any of the English lecturers. We actually look forward to students who really enjoy reading and writing in English too. We have our own college magazine as well as a newsletter. So people who actually are very good at writing can also take part as either student editors, or others can actually contribute towards the magazine. So it is your choice. So we are all waiting to meet you at the earliest. Thank you.
Good morning, students. I am Vidya from English department. Welcome to Carmel College. We are all happy to meet you in person. So till then, we will be meeting through online classes. So once you hear about the online classes, please don't get tensed. We will be giving you the link as well as the step-by-step procedure to go about the online classes. So only thing is, you have to adapt to it and go by the same. So regarding online classes, we will upload videos, you have to view it, and based on that, quiz will be asked and you have to attend. Quiz is very important because based on you attending the quiz, we will be giving your attendance. Not only that, we will make sure you have attended the class. It means you have viewed the video by you attending the quiz. And based on the videos, we will be given assignments. So for that, you have to get a 200-page long note which could be shared for your literature as well as for grammar. So whatever question is being asked, you have to write in your classwork note and upload the same in the Google Classroom. After the videos, question answers based on the poem and prose will be given as a separate videos. So you have to complete your question answers in your classwork note and be ready to show us once the college reopens. So till then, we'll be waiting to meet you in person. So I wish you all the best for the forthcoming year and best wishes. Thank you.